Lamsago haina haina tongnai takokte bukok sungna ani kaisa katal video o chung nugui mankha je government degree college ni phai chung tui je admission naharnani bagui notification tiklaijak mani o notification o tongo je jara 12 pass khaijani rok ni bagui koktoma kaham hingkhe nirok admission naharui mansnai government degree college ni phai chung tui hingkhe jara BA BSc BCom obhai kai admission na harnai hinui wansok tongnai rokni bagui notification rojakha bo date disimi admission ni bagui online apply ma khainai tei busuk tarik jora nirok online apply khai mannai oro jaga details clear khai rojak tongo obongkha academic season 2026-27 ni bagui first semester rok ni bagui admission na harnani time date rojakha hingkhe oro tongo date of submission of online application through smart portal ni phaichung tui nirok online apply khai mannai 29/5/2026 ni theke 7/6/2026 jora nirok horni 12 jora nirok apply khai mannai hingkhe obongkha May mas ni 29 tarik theke June mas ni 7 tarik jora nirok apply khai mannai hingkhe o jaga website rojak tongo o website o nirok thangui nai apply khai manai DHE Tripura admission.samart.ac.in o portal haikeba te kaisa portal tongo higher education.tripura.gov.in o jaga phano nirok apply khai manai online ni through tui hingkhe o jaga tei bo tongphio date of publication of the complete merit list and the list selected candidate for first round admission ni bagui notice khaijaknai college janja college o 19/6/2026 ni salmario saklaijaknai first round admission ni bagui hingkhe first round admission ni bagui tei oro tongphio physical admission in college with original testimonial abo tongnai naharjaknai 22/6/2026 theke 23/6/2026 jora nirok first round ni admission naharjaknai hingkhe second round ni admission naharjaknai 25/6/2026 theke 29/6/2026 jora nirok admission naharjaknai second round ni obai khaiwi koyekta oro details khaiwi rojak tongo first second third obai khe 4ta round jora nirok admission naharjaknai hingkhe oro nirok clear khaiwi nainadi aro second round ni 25 theke 29 tei third round ni wngkhi 1 tarik 7 mas 2026 theke 2 tarik 7 mas 2026 jora nirok naharjaknai third round ni bagui abai khe oro total nirok naiwi nadi details hingkhe daiti jara 12 pass khainai rok admission naharbai di haikhe ulo risi ulo khainai hinui wansok tongkha hingkhe nirokni server down rok phano wngui mano nirok online apply khairok maya rok phano wngmani chance tongo haini bagui daiti khaiwi nirok online apply khaihar di hingkhe tini video aboso nangnai next video abo haikhe teibo nailaimani bagui subscribe khai tongnodi ani o video ani o channel no tini video aswk jotono hambai।